Okay guys, today's practical number menu 1, potato salad. Okay, so potato salad is a combination of potatoes, tomatoes, onions, okay, and required ingredient for this salads such as dressing vinegars, Dijon mustard and salt and olive oil. Okay, so vegetables such as onions, tomatoes, fresh green chili, fresh corianders, spring onions, mint leaves and crushed peppers, black crushed peppers. Okay, now start the preparation of potato salad. So first you are peel the potatoes. Okay, so now first peel it. Okay, after the peeling you cut into slice then dice. Okay, so now cut the potato. First cut into this side and half potatoes and then cut into dice. Okay, and now add in cold water. Put in the cold water. Okay, cut into small dices and put in cold water and chop the pyaz, chop the onions, chop the onions, and put in the bowl. And now first de-seed the tomatoes and finely chopped it. Put in a bowl. Okay, so now mise en place is ready. For next boil the potatoes. Okay, now open your flame. Okay, take a stock pot, add water and bring to boil the water. Okay. Okay, now add potatoes into the water. Add some salt. Okay, half teaspoon salt and boil it. Okay, after the boiling, potato is put in the balls, and now uh, prepare a okay. So now take a vinegar. uh, this is a fresh. Okay, now start the dressing for the potatoes. So now take a 2 parts vinegar. Okay, 2 parts vinegar, and 1 part oil, olive oil. Okay. Okay, now take a Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Okay, and now add salt, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon black pepper, crushed black pepper. Okay, and now whisk all the ingredients together. And now add fresh parsley, salads, green chili, chopped onions, tomatoes, and potatoes. Okay, so now add potatoes and mix all the ingredients: potatoes, onions, tomatoes. Mix all the ingredients such as potatoes, tomatoes, onions, parsley. Okay, so now mix it, all the ingredients with the dressing. Okay, now it is time to present the salads on a plates. Now arrange this lettuce on the ball. And now add base, and then add your salad with the dressing. Okay. Garnishing with flowers. And mint leaves. Garnishing with mint leaves. And chopped parsley.